Hi there, it's Clive here again with another meal replacement review, but something very different today. So I have tried lots of different meal replacement products. I've tried the powders that you make up with water into a shake. I have tried the ready-made drinks. I've tried the bars. I've tried a Japanese version which comes in a sort of a shortcake biscuit. But I've never seen a meal replacement product like this. And it's from Comp. I did a review of the Comp powder, so the Comp meal replacement shake before. If you've not seen that video, you should check it out. But this is another product that Comp do, and it is a meal replacement, complete balanced food gummy. So that's a sort of like a jelly baby if you're in England, or a gummy in the US. Basically a sweet. So it's a nutritionally balanced food source in a sweet, which sounds very strange. So they describe it here as the world's first completely balanced nutrition food gummy, born by pursuing inertia and portability, which I think is just a bad translation of the Japanese. So basically what it's from the need that we're always on the move. I think that's what's saying. Therefore need a food source which we can have in our busy lives. Anyway, so it's got all the normal proteins and minerals that you need. So it's got carbohydrates, the fat, the protein, monosaturated fats, vitamin A, vitamin V, vitamin B, niacin, vitamin BE, so all the vitamin B complexes, biotin, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, calcium, chromium, iodine, iron, magnesium, selenium, potassium, sodium. All of those, you can check out the site. Each pack that you get contains about 400 calories worth, so that's like a sort of a light meal. And the idea is you sort of have these throughout the day. So without further ado, I'm just going to crack open and have a look at these. So this is not like, as I say, it's not a drink. It's not a bar that you can have. These, I don't think the idea is that you have these in one go. And sure enough, yeah, let's have a look. You can see they're like little sweets. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And yeah, they've got a sort of strange fruity smell to them. But let's try one. The idea is that you just sort of, I guess you nibble these throughout the morning or something, and there's your nutritional needs for the morning done. And they're quite hard to chew apparently, so that's good for the jaw. Kids the stomach into thinking it's having a meal. So no, that's not your meal replacement. That is just one small part of it. Let's see what it tastes like. So it's like chewing a slightly hard, like a wine gum. If you're in the UK, you know what I mean by wine gum. I think they've got a different name in America, wine gums. They don't give them an alcoholic name. But like a gummy, yeah. Or a jelly baby, but not quite as collapsible. But it's just like having a sweet. So the idea is, I think you have those on your desk, working away, or on your go, on the tube, wherever it is, and you just have these little gummies. We can check a bit out more on the website and explore a bit more about it. So as you can see here, it's a fruit mix flavour, made in Japan, the world's first completely balanced nutrition food gummy. 400 calories in a pack, these little beautiful little sweets here. And comes out about 4,750 yen. And I'll put what that is on the screen there for you in euros. In the pocket biting Comp. Very good. Look at the nutritional components here. So based on 2,200 calories, the components of the Comp gummy give you 83 grams of protein, 73 grams of lipid, 303 grams of sugar, 24 grams of dietary fibre, and vitamins and minerals. That is if you were to have 2,200 calories worth of it. Of course, it's only 400 calories in each pack, but that's just the breakdown of the daily requirement that you need, and it's prorated down to the 400 calorie bag. Gummies in general use only collagen as a protein source, but that does not allow them to consume enough essential amino acids. Comp is formulated separately to meet the required amount of all essential amino acids. Now on the sugar side, it does sound high, but that's mostly carbohydrates. That's how they're measuring the sugar. And they say here they've succeeded in reducing the fructose content by reducing the sugar content as much as possible, by containing sugar and fructose as little as possible, i.e. not using as much, and only from date juice and platinose. And it's, of course, stuffed full of all the vitamins and minerals that you would expect to find in the comp powder, etc. So these were made in between the Comp, as to say, who's sort of a new meal replacement product company in Japan from 2016, and they joined up with UHA Taste Sugar, which is a massive sweet company, or candy company if you want to be American about it, in Japan, to make these, and they're very nice. They are quite hard to chew, but as it says on the site, it's good for the jaw. So something a little bit different, meal replacement product. As I say, you can check them out on the site, comp.jp. Flavour wise, they're sort of slightly banana-y and citrusy. I'm not sure to what degree they'll fill you up, but I guess if you're sort of chewing throughout the morning or something, I'm a bit of a candy freak, so I've got to be careful these won't last long. As I say, a little bit different. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and if you haven't already done it, please subscribe. We're trying to get the subscribers up, and we really appreciate it if you hit that notification button, and then you know when I am releasing videos. And so until next time, sayonara.